Welcome back to my YouTube channel House Kitchen UK. Today I'm going to be taking you guys through how I get my fruits prepared to put in the fridge. So I always like to wash my fruits. It's always good to wash your fruits because you don't know how many people have touched it. Sometimes you are peeling your fruits and the fruit you still touch it with his hand. So it's always like you are putting germs inside the food you are going to eat. So I wash it, I take off the seed and I just cut it into tiny pieces. So I put it in the fridge. This is how I normally do my fruit, but I like to have fruit with my food. In the morning before I eat, sometimes I like to eat my fruit. So I always eat my fruits, okay? So it's good for your body anyway. So guys, if you have watched this video down to this point, please don't forget to tell me where you're watching me from so I can give you a shout out in my next video. Don't forget to like, subscribe and click the notification bell.